Hey YouTube, so I'm back again, and this time I've got a new electrostatic machine all made for you guys. This here is the MiniSpark 18. I was making a tutorial video on how to assemble it, and then I realized partway through my video that actually I think I made like 4 or 5 parts. And then I got to the end and I assembled it, and the silicone I used couldn't seal the voltage, so the whole machine didn't work. So I came back and I redesigned the MiniSpark, made it cost less plastic to assemble, and I mean, it's got a little bit more pieces to it, but it fits together pretty easy. It's just got a piece on the side, that's a spacer here, another piece on top, that's a spacer here, thinner spacers on this side, the two edges, the inductors, again inductors on both sides of the disc so that we get our double induction effect. And yeah, over here we have our capacitor bank that we're going to be doing our testing with. I'll just discharge the bank with my measurement tool here, and to show you, we have .233 nanofarads of capacitance. Okay. Now, this spark gap over here, I don't know if you saw that when I came with the measurement tool, but it is set to, it's hard to use one hand on camera, it's 1 centimeter. It's a 1 centimeter spark gap. The air is at 50% humidity. So we are now going to, so at 50% humidity, this should be like somewhere in the vicinity of like, probably like, I don't know, it's tough to say. I'm going to let you run your own numbers. I'm going to assume that this is going to be 25,000 volts, just because a centimeter is supposed to be 30, but I'm at 50% humidity, so I'm going to assume 25,000 volts. And we saw 1.233 nanofarad there, so let's get this kicked up. Look how it sparks. You can see it doesn't fire all the time. The reason it's not firing constantly is because what happens is you get a bit of a bridge that wants to form. You see over here where I'm getting little bits of sparking coming off there. Same thing up there. Alright, so I'm going to start counting. Okay, I'm gonna try something else. I'm just gonna track the number of frames between my fastest 2 sparks. that noise there is because this setup here isn't very rigid, so it shakes and then internals rub. Let's see if we can't yeah, just clear that out of what we're doing there, because I'm going to show you what this looks like when it's just the take off the capacitors is what it is. Alright, let go. Okay, and then that one's off. Now, I want to show you here. This is just because it was making that voltage doesn't mean that's the maximum. So I'm going to pull this back a bit so you can see what capacitorless discharge looks like off of this machine. So far it seems like it's beefier than the previous one in terms of current production, but again, we'll see how this goes. Now, the new one uses an epoxy filled disc, and that's what's going to be on the file online as well when I eventually release that. So, this is what that discharge looks like without. Very good, very consistent, strong discharge. So yeah, that's your Corona discharge there. Alright, that's it for now, YouTube.